Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this wireless HD transmitter and receiver, ChwFio. So these things have up to a 580 foot range. I'm going to be testing that out, putting it in my PC and sending it to my my projector, and we'll see. It's across the other side of the house, so it should be interesting. All right, on top we have the instruction manual, and then check it out. Pretty small. Should just be plug and play, really. Let's get these little guys out of here. All right, so let's see. TX and RX, so transmitter and receiver. T and R, that's kind of nicely labeled. Just small little guys there, actually. So that's that. And what else do we got here in the box? Good packaging for sure. Okay, so then it comes with also two plugins there. Looks like a little HDMI to HDMI piece there. And then we also have some power cords. So we also have HDMI to HDMI adapters with cords, just in case this won't fit in there. If you have yours next to the wall or something, it won't fit in the back of where you got it. You can just do a quick little elbow here, just plug this one in and have that one plugged in. So that's very convenient that comes with that. And then also two power cables there as well, so we can plug that into our USBs. All right, I'm gonna hook this into my PC real quick. Should be plug and play, and then throw it in my projector over on the other side of the house, and we'll see how it works. All right, friends. Well, just put it on in the out portion on my PC here, and just plugged it in right here. And like I said, you had to use this one because it's a little wider there, but very convenient. That comes with a bunch of those. All right, plug and play. So plug this in, plug the USB right into the back of my PC, and now let's go check out where it is in the room. All right, just to show you guys how far away this is, through a couple walls, down the hall, and we are going all the way over here into the bedroom here. And I have it hooked up right here to my projector. So once again, just plug the HDMI in right there, the USB right into the back here. Check this out. And there, my friends, is my computer screen all hooked up on there. Pretty sweet. Worked awesome. Just plugged in. As soon as I plugged it in, and it was good to go. So I'm probably about 60 feet away through what, 1, 2, 3, like 4 walls, and it's just working, no problem at all. Really impressed with this. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll catch you next time.